Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Perchance project and linking any required API keys so generation runs smoothly. First, set your canvas dimensions and color mode because outputs depend on those parameters. Once done, upload reference images and assemble a short list of prompts to iterate quickly. Make sure to enable any advanced settings you need, like stylized strength or seed control, before generating the first batch. This gets you straight into meaningful experiments without losing time on trivial setup steps. Now refine your prompts and the generator's parameters to shape results. Use clear keywords for lighting, style, subject, and mood, and then tweak strength or guidance scale to balance creativity against fidelity. Increase sampling steps and set a seed when you want reproducible outputs. Lower them for faster, rougher drafts. Batch several small variations so you can compare side by side. As you iterate, selectively combine promising prompts and settings. This convergent approach speeds up finding the look you want. To finish, choose the strongest render and apply any final edits or upscaling tools within Perchance to preserve detail. Export in the format suited to your workflow, PNG for web, PSD for layered edits, and note the exact prompt and parameter settings for repeatability. If outputs drift or produce artifacts, reduce guidance scale slightly, change the seed, or lower stylize intensity. Those changes often remove unwanted anomalies. Finally, rerun a small batch to confirm the fix before committing to production assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.